free website number 6 where you can post your affiliate links to start earning some money with your affiliate programs is a website called easyhits.com. Now, as you can see up to the top, you can claim your membership with easyhits.com for absolutely free. Now, here's how easyhits.com works. So instead of working to generate traffic or earning credits with Traffic Exchange, EasyHits is going to allow you to set up your own independent traffic systems. And these systems are going to keep generating traffic long after you stop working. Even better, they're going to connect your traffic systems in a way that they feed each other and further leverage your efforts, creating an increasing flow of high quality visitors. Now, getting started with easyhits.com is absolutely simple. All you have to do is set up your traffic portfolio, and then in step 2, you're going to complete your 3 easy wizards. These are going to activate your main viral engine, which they'll explain in your onboarding process. Now, in step 3, you're going to be able to explore the advanced networking tools and features once your EasyHits traffic machine is up and running. And you're going to find simple instructions on how to activate and do all these things. Now, what I really like about easyhits.com is it's a one-time setup and you're done. So if you're a person who's really busy and doesn't have a lot of time, this is going to be all automated. After you set it up that first time, you can set it and forget it. And they make it very easy to promote any offer. So please understand, you're not tied to EasyHits and whatever programs or tools or softwares that they have. You can literally promote any affiliate program that you wish. Now, if you want to learn more about easyhits.com, all the links that I'm mentioning in this video is going to be right down below this video in the YouTube description.